Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what are the diseases which are associated with H. pylori? What are the all diseases which are associated with H. pylori? 1. We have antral predominant gastritis is present like duodenal ulcers. Antral predominant gastritis which can progress to duodenal ulcers. We have corpus predominant atrophic gastritis is present, and this corpus is body. The body predominant, that is, if there is antral predominant gastritis, this can progress to duodenal ulcer. If there is body predominant atrophic gastritis, this can lead to gastric ulcers, and it can also lead to gastric adenocarcinoma. Okay, similarly there can be non-atrophic pangastritis. Okay, whenever there is non-atrophic pangastritis or superficial gastritis where there is involvement of all the parts of the stomach including the antrum and the body, in such cases this is actually associated with malt lymphoma or maltoma. Okay.
thank you and thank you for watching.